welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new in my YouTube channel, just click the subscribe button and click bell all to notify you my YouTube channel if I have a new upload. The unboxing for today's guys is, let's check out. So guys, oh, it's aroma diffuser. So it is called Humidification Aromatherapy Purifier Air Colorful Lamp. So let's open it. Okay. USB. And so here is the user manual of aroma diffuser. So the first step is carefully remove the lid from the main unit. So let's remove the plastic and let's open this one, guys. Okay, this is the lid and open it. And number 2, take the AC adapter and measuring cap out of the tank. Then connect the AC adapter to the DC jack. So here's the water, guys. We put all here. And we put perfume. So the third one is pour approx 500 ml water into the water tank with the measuring cup. Do not exceed the max line on the water tank. And add 3 to 5 drops of essential oil. This is 3 to 5 drops, guys. Yes, only 2 I put because this is okay. And we put the lid here, guys. And here is the here, guys. So this is the one we put adapter, guys. And here one, guys. And it's all charged now. And put the light here and close the light. Here one, guys. Okay. And how could you see the on? That's the on. This one, guys. Change color. We are already finished, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And see you again on my next vlog.